Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. Okay, so here the investment manager has to create a portfolio of exactly 2 technology stocks, 3 government bonds and 1 corporate bond. Okay, the manager has to choose it from a pool of 5 technology stocks, 6 government bonds and 2 corporate bonds. Okay, so this is a selection based question. Okay, so we'll have to first figure out whether the selection is following the fundamental counting principle or combinations. Okay, so first of all, the manager will choose 2 technology stocks from 5 technology stocks. So from 5 technology stocks, let's say I choose T1 and T2. Okay, if I change the order of choice, that is T2 and T1, in both the cases it is the same thing. I have the same stocks in the pool, the result doesn't change. And we know that when order of selection doesn't matter, then it is a combination question. Here order of selection doesn't matter. If I choose T1 first and T2 later, or if I choose T2 first and T1 later, it will be there in the portfolio as T1 and T2 as 2 technology stocks. Okay, so order of selection doesn't matter. That means that this is a combination based question. So that means the number of ways to select 2 technology stocks from 5 technology stocks will be 5C2. Okay, so now I have to select 2 technology stocks and there is an and here and 3 government bonds. That means I'll multiply this by 6C3. Okay, the government bonds will also follow the combination principle, so it will be 6C3 and 1 corporate bond from 2 corporate bonds. I can directly write it as 2 over here, or if you do it, it will be 2C1, which is 2 only. Okay, anyways, if you're choosing 1 out of 2 options, you have 2 ways you can do it. Okay, so this is 5C2 into 6C3 into 2. So 5C2 is 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial multiplied by 6C3 is 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 3 factorial multiplied by 2. So 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. This 3 factorial cancels out. 2 factorial is actually equal to 2. So this goes and this will be 5 into 2, which is 10. So this is 10 times. Now this is 6 factorial can be written as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. 3 factorial goes away. 3 factorial value is 6. So 6 is here. So 6 and 6 cancels out. So this is 5 into 4 that is left, which is 20 multiplied by 2. So 10 into 20 into 2. 10 into 20 is 200. 200 into 2 is 400. So there are 400 different portfolios that the investment manager can create. Okay, so 400 is the answer here. All right, that is how we solve this question.